Hello everyone, welcome back to RareChem Official. Today we are going to discuss about Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Before going to Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, let's discuss some previous theories. According to Bohr's theory, Bohr said that is electron revolves around the nucleus in a fixed orbit. When electron revolves around the nucleus in a fixed orbit, we can easily find out position and momentum of an electron easily. Later, de Broglie said that is electron revolves around the nucleus like a wave. But Heisenberg's principle said that is we can't find out position and momentum of an electron simultaneously. Why we can't find out position and momentum of an electron simultaneously? Because when light pass on metal surface, collision between electrons and photons, due to that energy will absorb, electron will eject out. Light is made up of photons, right? Collision between photons and electrons, then some amount of energy absorbs, then electron will eject out. Some very little amount of energy needed to eject electron out from metal surface. Remaining energy in the form of reflection. If you want to see with our naked eye, the energy of reflection, the wavelength of energy of reflected should be very high than incident light. It means that energy of incident light is higher than reflected energy. When collision between electrons and photons, some energy is absorbed, right? When electrons or atoms in rest position, momentum is zero. If pass a light on metal surface, some momentum transferred to electrons and energy will absorb, electron will eject out. Remaining energy in the form of reflection, right? So we can see with our naked eye, because of wavelength of reflected energy is higher than incident light. It means that wavelength is inversely proportional to energy. Energy of incident light is very high. If pass higher energetic radiation pass on metal surface, electron is very minute particles, right? Electron will be somewhere. So electron we can't, position and momentum of an electron we can't find out in simultaneously. Heisenberg's given a definition, that is it is impossible to determine simultaneously the exact position and momentum of an electron. It is called Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. He given equation delta x equals to delta p and greater than equals to h by 4p. Here exact position and momentum we can't find out simultaneously, but we can find out probability of position and momentum. Here he taken difference between difference. So delta x into delta p greater than equal to h by 4p. P means momentum into velocity. We can find out momentum exactly, but we can't find out velocity and position. That's why difference we taken, means probability. Delta x into m delta v greater than equal to h by 4p. Delta x into delta v greater than equals to h by 4 pi m. If m is moves this side, the equation is delta x into delta v greater than equal to h by 4 pi m. He given two cases. Case 1, the equation is delta x delta v in greater than equal to h by 4 pi m, right? If find out position of an electron exactly, the delta v greater than equals to h by 4 pi m into x equals to 0. Means if you want to find out position of an electron exactly, then x equals to 0. So 0. If multiply with 0, this becomes 0. If anything divisible by 0, that becomes infinity. Means if you want to calculate position of an electron, we can't find out velocity. If find out velocity of electron, that becomes delta v equals to 0. Delta x greater than equals to h by 4 pi m into delta v. So delta x greater than equals to h by 4 pi m into 0. That becomes, whole thing becomes infinity. Means delta x, if you want to find out position exactly, we can't find out momentum of an electron. If you want to find out momentum of electron, we can't find out position of an electron. This is the principle given by Heisenberg. This was all about Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.